Once again, Mondevu is away from the Pride, patrolling on the grassland. The new clan matriarch is in attendance, following his every move. In a unique display of overlapping territorial language, the lion marks against the hyena. Usually, territories are disregarded by other species. But now, the matriarch and the pride male express their hostility with unmistakable actions. This new matriarch is confident and defiant, marking where he marks and harassing the much larger lion. Her calls and her fluffed-up tail posture attract support from other clan members and don't go unnoticed by the lionesses on the edge of the open area. The matriarch seems to succeed in the psychological warfare. This is not a competition for food. When Matsumi leads the pride out to meet the hyenas, it is to do battle once again with their eternal enemies. Frenzied calls filter across the bush to the keen ears of Intwai Dumela, he who greets with fire. He is the hyena killer. Bite to the neck, and the new matriarch is dead. The day belongs to the lions. It was not always easy for us to witness these struggles for life. But at the end of it all, perhaps, we came to know more about ourselves and the struggles that rage within our own savage souls. Creatures of instinct, helpless to change their destiny. Forever these eternal enemies